I'm Jack from Jack Review Stuff, and today I have the Magic Refiner 14. Yes, it's a 65% mechanical keyboard with blue switches. Yeah, blue switches. What kind of blue switches? You find out soon. 2-layer bubble wrap, different size bubbles. I wanted to buy the Razer Huntsman Mini, the Razer keyboard, but it doesn't have arrow keys, and I need arrow keys to work. Alright, these are ABS plastic, 2-color injection suspension keycaps, so basically it won't wear out. The internal layer is transparent, something like the double shot PBD thing kind of thing. Operating pressure is 60 whatever, so I think it's grams of force, plus minus 10. 4mm key travel, and 2.2mm trigger, whatever that means. That's it. Some Chinese words. More Chinese words. Some of you actually know Mandarin, so I think you can read this. That's my USB cable. Oh, thank goodness. There's USB-C. Oh, wait. That's what the sound was when I was doing this. Here's my USB-C cable. Free cable tie. Haha, now the keyboard. I'll show you the ass first. Wait, start here. That's the good stuff. It's got these feet that go up. I don't like this feature. I don't use it. By right, this way gives more RSI, this way gives less. The front of the keyboard. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. The arrow keys. And here's what they sound like. My mic is here. So these are the keys. And these are the keys bottoming out. Got a little USB-C port here. It's good. Slightly recessed. It's a blue switch. BSUN. It says BSUN, BSUN. If you guys know what BSUN switches are, let me know. Leave a comment, please. Chinese words, let me know what these mean. This is a sword, I think. It's Chinese words. Leave comments, please. Random arrow keys. Why arrow keys? I don't know. And spacebar. This is so nice. Oh yes. Smell like factory. Oh, the clicky goodness. Subscribe!